no, Claire, what happened? Did your Jeep stop working? All right, well, let's get a solution for you. We're gonna turn that one into a trailer. This one's gonna pull it. So we're gonna explain what we gotta do to make this thing a trailer. One is the back wheels are hard to spin because they're hooked to the motor. So first we have to disengage the wheels from the motors. Pull the nut off. Now this wheel just pops off. As you can see, you got this hexagonal shape that mates with this that goes to the motor. So we just gotta remove that. All right, you ready to do this, Cal?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Good job. Time to put this one back on and see if it worked. Throw the washer on. Righty tighty. There you go.
It's gonna work.
Perfect. Try spinning the wheel. Look at that. Totally disengaged. Let's see if it worked on both wheels. Oh yeah. Cal, do you want to take a test spin in it real quick? Oh baby. The front wheels are gonna be a little more tricky. Normal trailers don't have front wheels. So we got the machine upside down. As you can see, this is the steering rod that goes to the steering wheel, but there's a motor, so it's really hard to twist. That's really hard. We want it to twist really easily. So we're gonna do these 8 screws, flip the axle backwards. So this is at the front. Then it's disengaged from that, and that's where we hook the tow rope to this so it follows closely.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Ready, bud? Okay, lift up on that tire. Flip it around. Perfect fit. That's where we can hook the hitch to. So we tied this rope. So when this gets pulled left and right, you can see now the wheels turn with the force of the rope. And hook it onto the back of this. We're just gonna tie the bowl line right here. There we go. That. Oh, going fast! Well, they didn't die. You definitely have to put in a hard connection. Whenever you start to stop, it makes contact there. So, make it permanent, I'm gonna use this nice old 2x4 and mount that right there. And then I'm gonna bring this up over it, right there. Screw it all together. Yeah. Look at that.
75 years later.
Alright, change of plan. Watch out, buddy. The problem is, you see how this stays parallel with the machine? When this gets side force, it's putting a torque instead of perfect side force. We're going to turn this into a single point, and then just the force of it starting to pull at an angle is pulling this down instead of transfer all the way through the length. So we're going to take this off, drill a big hole there, sink one of these into it. All right, Cal, it's ready. Oh no, my phone died.